Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are installed. Net SDK and Node. JS, because the server and client need their runtimes. Once done, create an ASP. NET Core Web API project with .NET New and immediately scaffold a React app in a client app folder using Create React app. This keeps source separate and simplifies hosting. Make sure to open both projects in one solution or workspace so you can run both concurrently. That visibility prevents configuration mistakes later. Now connect the two. Update client app package. JSON to proxy API request to your ASP. NET Core server for local development. Then configure cores in program. CS or startup to permit the React origin so requests are allowed when not using the proxy. Implement API calls in React with fetch or Axios to /API routes, test endpoints with Postman or the browser. Once your client hits the server successfully, you can iterate on components and controllers in parallel with live reload enabled. To finish, build the React app and serve its static files from ASP. Netcore, run npm run build and copy output into wwroot or configure the publish step to do it automatically. In program, CS enable use static files and map fallback to file for client-side routing so navigation works. If something breaks, start by verifying HTTPS certificates, core settings, and that the client base path matches the hosted location. These three issues cause most integration failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.